It's not easy to know the difference between one engine water outlet and another. A water outlet certainly looks pretty simple. If you ask the experts, they'll tell you that Dorman is the clear aftermarket leader in this category, offering solutions and services no one else can match. And unlike our competitors, we have the testing data to prove it. In exaggerated life cycle testing performed by independent labs, our welds have been shown to last 3 times some original equipment manufacturer designs. In standard FAI leak tests, we compared our outlets and housings to our competitors, and many of our competitors failed to even pass. In compression set tests, our O-rings and gaskets have been shown to dramatically outlast the competition. And in temperature tests, our integrated thermostats have been shown to match OEM performance, while our competitors broke or failed prematurely. All of this is due to dedicated product, engineering, and quality personnel to ensure the performance of new and existing products. Highest quality in the minimum number of parts to cover the maximum amount of vehicles. That's the value of Dorman water outlets.